journeys. My name is Daksh Bhosle. I am 8 years old. Today I am going to tell you the story of Atali Batali Delicious. Means Amul, the taste of India. Before we start, subscribe to our channel Financial Journey. Let's start. Amul was started in Anand in 1946 as a result of exploitation of farmers. They were forced to sell milk to Pestonji Edalji at low rates. Pestonji Edalji is the founder of Paulson Dairy. The farmers led by Tribhuvan Das Patel took guidance from Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, who suggested them to form a cooperative society and sell the milk directly to customers and eliminate the middlemen. Verghese Kurian, the milkman of India, wanted to start his own business, but on the insistence of his parents, joined Tisco, now known as Tata Steel. Verghese Kurian arrived in Anand in 1949 to manage a dairy as a government employee. There he helped Amul with some of their machine repairs. Recognizing his skill, Tribhuvan Das Patel requested him to manage Amul. Amul led the White Revolution of 1970. Eustace Fernandez designed the butter girl for Amul. I'd like to show you the logo of Amul. This is made by my mother. Thank my mother for that. Now I like to introduce my brother Krishna. He will give you further more details about Amul.
Thank you, Daksh.
You're most welcome.
My name is Krishna. I am 16 years old. What started as a suggestion from Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Amul, has today grown to become the 9th largest dairy company in the world, and it isn't even a company in the real sense. Amul is a cooperative society which can be understood as a group of district cooperatives bound together by a professional management.
Yes.
These professionals are the elected representatives of the dairy owners. Simply putting, farmers own these dairies and the district unions are managed by representatives. Unions are just groups of independent individuals working together. Why Amul stands out among other FMCG companies is that the overall growth of the organization is experienced by every individual right down to the producers at ground zero. In contrast to ordinary companies where the growth of the company only benefits the shareholders. The sales turnover of Amul is at 385 billion rupees, which is 38,500 crores. Amul has grown at a rate of 17% compounded yearly over a 9-year period.
Krishna, I want to ask you a question. How does Amul work as a cooperative society?
A cooperative society is an association formed to achieve the common goals of all its members while safeguarding their interests. Amul is one of the largest cooperative societies in India.
Yes.
It uses a 3-level framework popularly known as the Anand design. The milk is collected at the village dairy society. Milk procurement and processing is done at the district milk union, and milk products are marketed at the state milk federation. There are 185,000 village dairy cooperatives, 222 district cooperative unions and 28 state marketing federations under the Amul brand. About 16 million milk producers work with Amul and receive one of the highest procurement prices in the country.
Yes.
In the year 2018, Amul paid out 325 crore rupees to their farmers. I hope you can make out by now why we chose this topic.
Friends, do you know the full form of Amul is Anand Milk Union Limited?
Yes, and it has been derived from the Sanskrit word Amulya, translating to priceless.
Yes.
Recently, Amul made history with the highest amount of product launches in a quarter, equal to 33. Amul is in the category of milk and allied products, bread spreads, chocolates, ice creams, desserts, beverages, among many others.
Yes.
It recently entered in the traditional Indian sweets range. Please hit the like button
And also smash the subscribe button and stay tuned for regular videos on weekend. I am Daksh Bhosle signing off. Bye-bye.
Bye.